Properties of division. Closure property. Rational numbers are not closed under division. Commutative. Rational numbers are not commutative under division. Associative. Rational numbers are not associative under division. Reciprocal of a number. 0 as no reciprocal. A rational number C by D is called as a reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of A by B of another rational number A by B if A by B into C divided by D equal to 1. Example, the multiplicative inverse of 8 by 9 is 9 by 8. So 8 by 9 into 9 by 8 equal to 1. I will go for exercise 1.1. Question number 1 is, using appropriate properties, find minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. So now here we will take this minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6 in the front, then afterwards 5 by 2. So we are making use of the property is commutative. So minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Why we have taken? Because 3 by 5 is common in both. So we have taken that 3 by 5 common. When we keep it outside, you will get minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. So here we have done the distributive property. Now 3 by 5 into, we solve it. So minus 4 minus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Minus 4 minus 1 will become minus 5. So 3 by 5 into minus 5 by 6 plus 5 by 2. You can simplify 3 and 6. 3 is 1 time and 6 2 times. 5 and 5 is simplified. So it will become minus 1. 3 1 time and 6 2 times. So you will be getting here 1 minus 1. So 1 into minus 1 will become minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. You are having the denominators, same denominators. So it will become minus 1 plus 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. So 4 by 2 equal to 2. 2 is the answer. Now second question is 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. Here in this one 2 by 5 is common in this both. So we have to take 2 by 5 into 3 minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. Minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. 1 by 6 and 3 by 2 can be simplified. 3 1 time and 6 2 times. So what is the property we are using is commutative property. So now it will become, we have to take 2 by 5 in this 2 common. So 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14 minus 1 by 4. So this is the distributive property. So 2 by 5 into, we have to take LCM for 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14. 14 will be the LCM. So 14 in 7 table 2 times. So minus 3 into 2 minus 6 and 14 in 14 table 1 time. So it is plus 1. So minus 6 plus 1 by 14, that will become minus 5 by 14. So 2 by 5 into minus 5 by 14. 5 and 5 can be simplified. So we will get minus 1. 2 and 14 can be simplified to into table 14 7 times. Now we got it minus 1 by 7 minus 1 by 4. So again we have to do the LCM. So 7 and 4 it will become 28. 28 in 7 table it will become 4. So minus 4 minus 7 it will become minus 11 by 28. It was the answer. Now question number 2. Write the additive inverse of each of the following. First one is 2 by 8. Additive inverse of 2 by 8 is minus 2 by 8. Now second one is minus 5 by 9. So additive inverse of minus 5 by 9 is 5 by 9. If it is a negative, it will become the positive. If it is a positive, it becomes a negative. That is the additive inverse. Third one is minus 6 by minus 5. So both are having it minus. Minus and minus will get simplified and your question is 6 by 5. So additive inverse of 6 by 5 is minus 6 by 5. Fourth one is 2 by minus 9. So additive inverse of 2 by minus 9 is 2 by 9. Fifth one is 19 by minus 6. So additive inverse of 19 by minus 6 is 19 by 6. Now we will go for question number 3. Verify that minus of minus x equal to x for first one is x equal to 11 by 15. So we have written x equal to 11 by 15 minus x equal to minus 11 by 15. before we had minus x equal to minus 11 by 15. Now again we will keep minus before that. So minus of minus x equal to minus of minus 11 by 15. Minus and minus will become plus. So it will become 11 by 15. What is 11 by 15 as x. Second one, x equal to minus 13 by 17. So we will keep minus x equal to minus of 13 by 17. Again we will add one more minus. So minus of minus x equal to minus of minus 13 by 17. Minus and minus will become plus. So it will become 13 by 17. What is 13 by 17? Is x. Therefore minus of minus x equal to x. Now question number 4. Find the multiplicative inverse of the following. First one is minus 13. The multiplicative inverse of minus 13 is minus 1 by 13. If it is a whole number, if we keep 1 down, it will become minus 1 by 13. The next one is minus 13 by 19. So multiplicative inverse of minus 13 by 19 is minus 19 by 13. Question number 3, 1 by 5. Multiplicative inverse of 1 by 5 is 5 by 1. Fourth one is minus 5 by 8 into minus 3 by 7. So the multiplicative inverse of minus 5 by 8 into 3 by 7 is minus 5 into minus 3 divided by 8 into 7. So that will become 15 by 56. So the multiplicative inverse is 56 by 15. Now fifth one is minus 1 into minus 2 by 5. So multiplicative inverse of minus 1 into minus 2 by 5 is minus 1 into minus 2 will become 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 divided by 5. That is equal to 5 by 2. Sixth one is minus 1. Multiplicative inverse of minus 1 is minus 1. So how it is? Minus 1 by 1. It will become 1 by minus 1. 1 by minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Question number 5. Name the property under multiplicative used in each of the following. First one is minus 4 by 5 into 1, that is equal to 1 into minus 4 by 5, that is minus 4 by 5. So what is the property used is 1 is the multiplicative identity. The second one is minus 13 by 17 into minus 2 by 7 equal to minus 2 by 7 into minus 13 by 17. So what is the property used is commutative property of multiplication. Third one, minus 19 by 29 into 29 by minus 19 equal to 1. So what is the property used is existence of multiplicative inverse. Question number 6 is multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. The reciprocal of minus 7 by 16 is minus 16 by 7. So therefore 6 by 13 into minus 16 by 7. That is 6 into 16 is minus 96 divided by 13 sevens are 91. So the answer is minus 96 by 91. Now question number 7. Tell what property allows you to compute 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3 as 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. So answer for this, in commuting 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3 equal to 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. So what is the property we use is, we use the associativity. Now question number 8. Is 8 by 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 8? Why or why not? So answer is minus 1 by 8. It is a mixed fraction, so we will convert into an improper. So 1 8s are 8, 8 plus 1 9. So minus 9 by 8. So 8 by 9 into minus 9 by 8, we are getting the answer as minus 1. So 8 by 9 is not the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 8. As the product of multiplicative inverse is always 1. Question number 9. Is 0.3 the multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3? Why or why not? So answer is 0.3 equal to 3 by 10 and 3 1 by 3 is 10 by 3. So 3 by 10 into 10 by 3, when you simplify you will get it answer 1. Therefore the multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3 is 0.3. Question number 10. Write the rational number that does not have a reciprocal. The answer is the rational number that does not have the reciprocal is 0. Second one, the rational number that are equal to their reciprocals. So the answer is the rational number that are equal to their reciprocals are 1 and minus 1. Third one is the rational number that is equal to its negative. The answer is the rational number that is equal to its negative is 0.